Welcome. To solve this question, 5 raised to power x equals 3 raised to power x plus 2. Let's introduce logarithm to the both sides. So this will now be log 5 raised to power x equals log 3 raised to power x plus 2. Remember that in the law of logarithm, when we have log a raised to power b, this will be equal to b log a. So by using this law, this will now become x log 5 equals x plus 2 log 3. So let's open this bracket now. We will have x log 5 equals x log 3 plus 2 log 3. Let's collect the like term. We have x and x here, so let's collect the like term. So this will now become x log 5 minus x log 3 equals 2 log 3. Let's factorize the x out of this left hand side. So we will have x into log 5 minus log 3 equals 2 log 3. So let's divide both sides by this. So we will get x equals 2 log 3 all over log 5 minus log 3. By calculating this using calculator, we will approximately get 4.3013. So this is the value of x. Now let's check if this value is true. Let's check if this value of x is true for this equation. To check, this will now be 5 raised to power x. So x is 4.3, approximately 4.3013. 4.3013 equals 3 raised to power x, which is 4.3013 plus 2. And this is 5 raised to power 4.3013 equals 3 raised to power 6.3013. When using calculator to calculate this, we will get 1015.03 approximately 2 equals 1015.04 approximately 2. If you look at the both, you can see that they are very close to each other. Due to the decimal, that is why these 3 and 4 are different. Thank you for watching. If you are not subscribed to this channel, kindly help us subscribe now. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.